Rebuilding a Napoleon Prestige barbecue today. A lot of issues on this guy. We got a bunch of parts here. We got the manifold, the controller, the wiring harness, some lights and bezels over there. We'll be installing these guys today, and hopefully it'll look good as new. Yeah, so this is the wire harness and the lights. Again, most likely not working because of all this corrosion on the connectors there. Let's check out these guys as well. So yeah, definitely an issue. Then this is the manifold right here, which we will be changing out as well. Great, so we have the cover off. We're gonna change out this manifold. I can kind of see some of them are heavily corroded as well, so that could explain why it's not igniting. And that's a wiring harness which we'll have to reconnect. Working on a Napoleon barbecue, no ignition. This is the igniter module here. You can see there's the wire here. It's completely broke. Great, so everything is installed. These are all the old parts that we had. This is perfect. Pair one. Perfect. So those guys are all good. Let's check that little LED. Perfect. That one's working as well. I guess it's hard, but yeah, we can hear the spark for the rear burner there. Let's check. Yeah, hard to see, but sparking for the infrared as well. I think, yeah, that's another successful barbecue repair.